Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use search engine scraper. First enter your preferred keyword. Now enter city name. Once done, you need to select any search engine which you want to target. Click on Add button, it will add your query in list. Now simply click on Start button to start processing. Once process done, you can check out your scraped data such as total websites, total email and total phone numbers. Simply review and download your data in CSV format. Thank you for watching.